Good evening, my dear students. We are going to discuss about 1001 shortcuts for mathematics, which is very useful for all the competitive exams such as Eamcet for both AP and TS and JEE Mains, Comedy K, Bitsat or whatnot. You can apply all these 1000 shortcuts in various math related competitive exams. So let me just give you how these 1001 shortcuts will be useful. I'll go with one by one, and here is in my experience and with my expertise, I observed that there are exactly 7 to 8 methods are there to solve any tough question in mathematics. So look here, the only difference between the toppers and the losers is, that is that 99% of the people are unable to follow these type of techniques. The only 1% of the people will follow these techniques. If you are there in the list of top 1 percentile of the students, you will be in the toppers. I hope all of you got it. So let me just go through one by one shortcut.
Good evening, my dear students. So let me discuss about what is this 1001 shortcuts. See, to solve a tough question and lengthy question, at times sometimes won't be sufficient, right? Especially Eamcet type of exams, they required a lot of speed and a lot of tricks. So dear, to solve any tough question, and I identified there are 7 methods to approach a tough question, and I used to call this as 1001 shortcuts. So dear, these shortcuts will help you to crack any question in less than a minute. Clear? So let me explain about this 1001 shortcuts, and later you people can apply this wherever you want to apply. So the method 1 in the 1001 is, method 1 is by using units and dimensions. Generally we people are very good at units and dimensions to apply in physics. Let me give a clarity. You can apply units and dimensions a lot in mathematics than in physics. So here is how I am going to apply. If P1, P2, P3 are and so on are the altitudes of a triangle ABC from the vertices ABC respectively, then with the usual notation, they give something. So they give some big question, this is. So R1, 1 by R1 square plus 1 by R2 square plus 1 by R3 square plus 1 by R square. This is the properties of triangle question. And sometimes we may or may not remember the formula and recognize the formula, and so such type of things will kill our confidence and kill our top ranking. So let me explain here. See, altitudes are radius or whatever it may be, all are sides only. It will be in the form of what we call m. Its a unit will be meter, right? So what is this left side units will be 1 by meter square plus 1 by meter square and so on, means each and everything will become 1 by meter square. So question is in 1 by meter square. Let us check where you have 1 by meter square as your answer. I hope all of you got it. So when you look at the first one, altitude means height. So that is meter into meter into meter. It's a meter cube. This is wrong. Now look here. Delta means area. Area means meter square, you know. So this is nothing but meter power 6 by meter power 4. Cut means you will get meter square. This is also not the answer. Now look here. Here also meter square only. The only possible is you can check with 1 by meter square, 1 by meter square, 1 by meter square. Only in option 4 it is there. Am I right? So like this, super shortcut. We just applied units and dimensions to crack this Eamcet 2019 TS question. I hope all of you got it. Such type of methods you need to apply to become the toppers. Don't be in the bullshit of 99% of the students who are called average and below average and failures. No use of doing engineering such type of percentage. But there is 1% of the students who are called the toppers, those who can get below 5,000, 10,000, 2,000. For them, the time is very, very, very important. So dear, don't look for the 99% of the people's side. Look for the 1% of the people's side. So if you are looking for the 1% of the people side, you have to do what that 99% of the people are not doing. They even don't learn the basic formulas also. They even don't look for the basic concepts also. But you are the being the topper. I know you can be the topper and you can get the best. But when you are in the top 1 percentile, learn these extra things. And when you are learning, don't be lazy, don't be drowsy, don't be distracted, don't be look for the crowd what they are doing. You just do by yourself to be in the top 1 percentile. So let me quickly explain all these 7 methods so that you can easily crack many questions. This is the question number 1. Now can you give me answer in the comments box? What is answer for this second question? Quickly, dear. Can you give me answer? Can you quickly give me answer for this question? By using units and dimension. By using units and dimension. What is this? R1 minus RE means meter, meter cube. Meter cube. Is it right? So here is it. Meter square. Here it is meter. Here it is 1 by meter. So option 2. This is Eamcet AP 2018. I hope you can crack it like anything. No need of any formula. No need of any bullshit. So dear, look for these type of shortcuts which will help you to crack tough questions and lengthy formula based questions in less than 10 seconds. I hope you got it what I'm saying. But if you see the answers and all, you have to apply a lot of masala formulas and all. Sometimes we may or may not recollect the formula in the exam. Am I right? So in the exam, you should have all the weapons which you are going to crack. I hope all of you got it. So how many of you got this? If you got this, can you please hit the like button and share this link with all your friends, dear. And this is what we are going to call 1001 shortcuts. And this course is starting from 27th. In this, we will teach all K.F.C. Key concepts and formulas. Everything will be taught in one shot. One shot algebra, one shot trigonometry, one shot coordinate geometry, like that. And 1001 questions with full shortcuts like this. This course is starting from 27. Already enrollments are started. This is pure live class and the link is there in the description and the link is there in the comments. So our people are pinning it in the comments also. Please do use that link and get that course. K.F.C. means key formulas and concepts. That is what I call K.F.C. and 1001 shortcuts. These are the questions, these are the concepts. Right here. So this is the link our people are putting it, and you can say hi in the WhatsApp to this number also if you are willing. 9866915814. Directly you can go and buy, and our people, once you said hi to that number in the WhatsApp, our people will send the link in the WhatsApp. So let us go to the second method. I said there are 7 methods to crack a question within less than a minute. We need to solve a question less than a minute, means like 20 seconds, 15 seconds. Then the remaining time is very useful for the toppers. Only toppers will look for that 1 minute, 2 minute, 1 second, 2 seconds will help a lot. Right here. So let me go with this thing. Third question, it's from integration. Can you put it here? Can you put it here? That's the third question in integration. Can you do this question is, hey, we know that integration will give you 1 power extra. Means if I do integration for x square, I'll get x cube. Clear, dear? X cube. So here, this is a 4th degree. When I do, means I'll get a 5th degree. Let us check where the 5th degree is. This is a 3rd degree, 6th degree, 5th degree is there in the option 2. I hope all of you got it. I hope all of you got it. Don't beg for the price. This is such a beautiful, conceptually connected thing. 3000 కూడా పే చేయలేకపోతే ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేసి ఏం చేస్తారా మీరు? Don't beg for the price. This is such a valuable thing. I can't even reduce a single penny for this. This is my experience and this is my expertise. Don't bargain and don't beg for. Because if you want to be the topper, you have to use this. That's the only way. Thank you. Don't waste my time. Now move to the next one. Hey, method 2 is how to use the substitution. So here is, look at the locus of the point represented by, can you look at this beautiful question here? The locus of the point represented by. So this is lengthy question to solve. Actually you have to eliminate t and substitute that x and y in the t and you will get a very big thing. But I am doing, look here, put t 0. Therefore what is my x is 1, y is 1. So by putting x1, 1 means sum of the coefficients. That's it. When you have 1, you can just add the sum of the coefficients. Where the sum of the coefficients is becoming 0, that will be the answer. Now look here, 1 minus 2 plus 1, this is becoming 0. Minus 2 plus 4, this is becoming 0, valid. Now what about the second one? This is 0, but this is not 0. This is not 0. This is not 0. So the answer is option 1. I hope all of you got it. So what I did is, I am not applying all the bullshit method that's there in the textbook or lengthy methods that our people, our teachers, lecturers will apply in the textbooks. But I am not applying that. I am using my shortcuts. These are unique shortcuts. That's it here. I hope all of you got it. That's it. I hope all of you got it. Is it clear? Shall I move to the next one is, and dear students, I am saying this is free for Roots Academy short-term students. Please don't waste time by asking it. I gave it already instructions in the class lot of times. So for all the Roots Academy short-term students or Roots Academy students, this course is free for you. Don't waste your time here. All right. Now move to the next one is, this is another question. Can you look at the question? They gave A, B, C and P, then the ratio of the areas of triangle PBC to ABC. That's what you are asking. PBC to triangle ABC. Yes, you know the formula of area of triangle and you can use it with the formula and you can get it. And many are asking how many marks I can score by using this. See, this is not many marks. This is the improving your speed and getting more score. If you already have some stuff, this will add you extra advantage. I hope you got it. So there is a difference between extraordinary and ordinary. I used to say this, extraordinary minus ordinary is extra. So if you are now ordinary, if you learn this type of extra things, this will add some extra in your score. That's it. I hope you got it. Don't expect this will only give you 50, 60, 70 marks. This is bullshit. Use your common sense also. Clear here. But this will help you to get lot of advantage to score more, to solve more questions, to attempt more questions, to improve your speed of attacking over a question. I hope all of you got it. Now come to here. The ratio of the areas they're asking. So what I want to do is, this is called substitution method, I said. So in the substitution, what I am substituting is P is I am substituting A. So both will become triangle ABC by triangle ABC. Both will cut and I will get it as 1:1. Clear? Clear here. So now look here, means my P is substituting as 6,3. P I am substituting as 6,3 because P is becoming A. Right? P is becoming A now. P is becoming A. So substitute A, then I got 1:1. Whenever you have P is A, means X comma Y is 3,3, 6,3, what will get? 9:7, but I have to get 1:1, right? This is not, and look here, yes, this is correct. What about the third one? No, third one is okay. 6 plus 3 minus 2, 7:7. Third one is 6 into 18, 18 plus 3, 21. Right there. I hope you can check it. Fourth one is also valid. I think our people might have given some typing mistake. You should not get double options. Once you got double options means you have to change the substitution. Let us suppose here it is plus is there. Then you won't get this. Right here. So you can go for third option. Right? Now move to the next one is substitution. One more good question. Can you give here? Can you give here? What is this? In a triangle ABC, they give something lambda of BC is something like that. Right here. So what will happen is, you can apply all the bullshit formulas and all, you can do this much lengthy and all, but I can solve this in just a second. Look here what I am doing. So here what I can do is, put all A, B, C all equal. So what I will get is, 3A into A is equal lambda A square. So lambda is 3. Look here where lambda is 3. Negative not possible. Lambda more than 4 not possible. Lambda more than 6 not possible. Lambda lying between 0 and 4 is possible. I hope all of you got this beautiful. Alright. The next one is third method. 7 methods I said. Third method is by using mirror image method. This is wonderful thing. By using mirror image method. What this method is saying is, look at this question very carefully. If y equal to 3x is a tangent to a circle with a center 1, 1, then other tangents drawn through 0, 0 to the circle is. It's a Bitsat question. Can you please look at this? Circle is given and here is one tangent they gave is y equal to 3x and another tangent they are asking. This question they are asking. Clear? And this guy is passing through what? This guy is passing through 1, 1 and 0, 0. Do you know who is the mirror here? The mirror is, this line is called y equal to x is the mirror. Do you know, if y equal to x is the mirror, that y equal to 3x will become, just interchange x and y. So what it will become? Just interchange x and y. X will become 3y. Where it is? Option 1. I hope you got it. So by just looking in the mirror, you can get answer. So this is called by using mirror image method of solving a question. By using mirror image method of solving a question. Such a beautiful method. Such a beautiful method. So next I am going to one more question. Can you please put it? Can you please put it here? If A is given as a symmetric matrix, then X is. Do you know? Symmetry, reflection, mirror image, all are same. So take this as the mirror here. This has the mirror image. Whatever you have, 2, 2 gone, 3, 3 gone, X will be 6. I hope you got it. Those who are looking for Comedy K dear, this is last year Comedy K question. This is last year Comedy K question. So such easy questions will be asked in Comedy K. So don't miss that Comedy K to get into the top college of your dream, my dear. Now move to the next one is by using odd man out method. By using odd man out method. So by using odd man out method, do you know what is that? Theta ga evadunnado vade answer. That's it. In the question, who is a theta? These two are together. This guy is a theta. Means 1 by b is out. So where you will have answer will be? Answer will be 1 by b. I hope all of you got it. You can apply all the bullshit method. Time waste method. Time waste method. Odd man out. Odd man out. There 1 by b is there. Here also 1 by b. That's it. Now give me one more odd man out question I am giving here. Look here. So what is odd man? Here A, B together and here C is separately there. So what you will get is answer is even units and dimensions also you can apply. So it should be square, meter square and units and dimensions all are meter square. But odd man out, this guy is C square. I can go for directly C square will be the answer. I hope you got this. Now look at this bullshit method, waste of time. So third method is called odd man out. Third method is called odd man out method. I hope all of you got it. Now look here. Now look here. Fourth method I am going by using a generalized formula. By using a generalized formula. So you will have generalized formulas which are very, very important. Remember dear, in mathematics you have 2500 formulas. waste of time, energy to remember this. I am going to give you 50 generalized formulas which are highly useful for many questions to solve in less than 1 minute time. When you remember that 50 formulas, you can do many questions easily. Clear, dear? So that I will teach during my K.F.C, key concepts, formulas, and that theory part. That will give you a lot. And this course will be 3 hours theory and 3 hours problem solving daily. Daily 6 hours live course. Daily 6 hours live course this is. So if you are willing, you can look for that in the comment box. Our people are kept that link. Or else you can say hi to our number called 9866915814 on the WhatsApp, and you can get the link and directly you can buy there itself. Now move to the next one is the equation represents ellipse with the eccentricity dash. So for this type of thing, this is ax square and by square, something like that. When b is greater than a, eccentricity formula is under root of b minus a by a. I hope you got it. B minus a by b. And when a is greater than b, eccentricity formula is under root of a minus b by a. So what's the thing you can apply here now? So you can apply eccentricity is under root of 4 minus 1 by 4, nothing but root 3 by 2. Option 3. I hope all of you got this generalized formula. So this generalized formula will help you a lot. We are going to do a lot of questions in the ellipse chapter. We are going to do a lot of these type of models in the ellipse chapter. Now move to one more question based on this. This is such a beautiful question. Many students are unable to apply this question. And this is wonderful concept. You people can try and give me answer, and you can put that in the comment also. So the answer you can put it in the comment. Wonderful concept. You can remember this formula also. Right? Let me give this for you as you can put in the comment and I will check the comment. If you are doing good means I may look for you to support. Thank you. Now move to the next. This is also generalized formula. I think every one of you know this. For a square matrices, you know a square minus of a plus d into a minus det a into I is equal to 0. Plus det a into I equal to 0. I think every one of you know this. Every one of you know this. For any square matrix A, B, C, D, no need of applying all this bullshit in the time killing. So what is answer is? K is just 1 plus 4, that is 5. That's 5. I hope you got it. Simple. Don't apply those methods which are there in your PYQ textbooks. Good thing here, my dear, I am going to solve all the PYQs which are useful in this method. I gave 7 methods now. So whatever the PYQs that will come under these 7 methods from both JEE Mains, Bitsat, Eamcet, K, and all the competitive exams. If I've identified any question comes in these 7 methods, I'm going to solve it in the 1000 not 1 questions. I hope you got it. Now the next one is, yes, this will kill your confidence and time, dear. This will kill your confidence and time, dear. Such a big question. First, to read itself, to understand itself, it will take a lot of time. And after reading it, if you are unable to solve it, if you go through the solution, this is not only the solution. They gave one more page also. Such a big solution. You will definitely lose your confidence. అప్పుడు అనిపిస్తుంది ఎంసెట్ కూడా పోద్దా, ఎంసెట్ కూడా నాది అయిపోయిందా, మెయిన్స్ అంటే భయం వేసింది, ఎంసెట్ కూడా భయం వేస్తుంది. అట్లాంటప్పుడే ఈ షార్ట్ కట్స్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్, బై యూజింగ్ కాన్సెప్చువల్ మెథడ్స్. There are concepts which you have to remember, and such type of concepts will help you to solve a big question in very easy way. Right? So dear, now you can look at, this is what they gave. I am saying these are the 3 points and find the centroid. That will be the answer. So from a point, the perpendicular distances are equal means that should pass through the centroid. So what is the centroid for this is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Nothing but how much you are getting? 3 by 3. 1 comma 1. Option 2. 1 comma 1. Option 2. That's the conceptual method. That concept you have to write. Such type of concepts, another 50 I will give in the notes. I'll give in the notes another 50 during our K.F.C theory concept. Now move to the next one is, yes, this is another question. A and B are the square matrices of order 3. Then they give something. This is dash. Whenever odd order is there, skew symmetric matrix, that will be always 0 for skew symmetric matrix. And sum of two skew symmetric matrices is a skew symmetric. So skew symmetric and skew symmetric. So the total is odd and the answer will become 0. Fourth question is 0. Clear, dear? Now look here, by using logically valid method, these are my methods, my observation, my experience, my methods these are. So what you can do here is, if the coordinates of a point P are transformed to 4 comma minus 6 root 3, when the axes are rotated through an angle 30 degree, then P is what? Do you know what? This is the point 4 comma 6 minus root 3 they gave. What's the meaning of it, you know, dear? By changing the axis, by rotating the axis, the angles, the areas, the volumes, the lengths, heights, distances will not change. So I am taking my reference point as origin and the point as A, and OA I am finding. What is OA distance is 16 plus 36 into 3. So 16 plus how much you will get? This is 108. So you will get some number. You will get some number. Now by squaring and adding, this is B you assume and origin you take, find OB. OB should be equal to OA because lengths will not change. Lengths will not change. So what will be that? What will be that? By verifying 49 plus 9, you won't get 108 plus something. This won't get. This is 25 into 20 plus 27. This won't get. I think you can get here. What is that? 75 plus 49. How much you are getting? 75 plus 49 you are getting 14, 1, 8, 124. So of course here also it is 124. So both are valid. So option 3 will be the answer. I hope you got it. So these type of hidden concepts which you have to remember as a gems, we call that as logical method of applying concepts. Now move to the next question is, wow, by looking at this, we can simply put it answer. Can any one of your Roots Academy students, I think you can put it. You can put it. What the answer is? When the numbers are either in AP or GP or HP in the determinant, our answer is always 0. I hope every one of you got this beautiful thing, dear. I hope every one of you got this beautiful thing. Is it clear? So dear, this is like this. We are going to do 1001 questions with beautiful shortcuts. Beautiful shortcuts. So if you are willing, don't waste time. You can click the link below and join immediately. And you will get in this 1001 shortcuts 6 hours daily live class up to your exams, and remember this, and K.F.C. What is K.F.C? Key formulas, concepts thoroughly we will teach in one shot. And the next point is, I may allow the people to write the mock Eamcet K exams freely by joining in this course. That's it, dear. If you are willing to join in this course, say hi, 1001 on the number called 9866915814. That's a beautiful opportunity, dear. use this and improve your score like the top 1 percentile will do. That's it, dear. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. And 10 minutes lo meeku marla live untundi nanna. That live is all about IP exam related. After IP, how to get the top universities with IP score. Right? So just in 10 minutes you will have a live and we will